Hey everyone, welcome back to I Am Bread. No one likes a butt piece. Okay, let's go. And I haven't played this in a couple weeks, obviously, since I haven't been posting, so we're going to try again because this shit was really hard and I really want to accomplish this. So, we're gonna become toast once more. Okay. Alright. So, we figured out how to do most of this shit, I suppose. Oh. Look at us being successful. Nope. We don't need the whole loaf. I'm gonna get this time, I swear. I'm going to get this. Why is it attached? Still. My gripping is losing its ground. This is a groundbreaking. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Hold on. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we're gonna do this correctly with my small pea brain. 3 and 4. Bam. 1 and 2. Bam. What time is it? So I don't lose track of time. I have to check what time it is. Oh, him. We're back, and we're breading. Okay. 3 and 1. Bam. 4 and 2. Bam. 3 and 1. Bam. Oh, fuck. Okay. How the fuck did they do this? I know if y'all don't watch the Fine Brothers or React channel, they did this, and this is how I found the game, and now I'm wondering how the fuck they figured this out, and I fucking can't. Hold on. We can climb. Stop, bread. Stop, bread. Stop it. Okay. This is it, motherfucker. I think I figured it out. Hold on. Stop it. Go upwards. Upward. On and upward. This way, motherfucker. You shithead. Come on. No! Just forget it. Forget about it. Alright. Come on, yo. Alright. Got it. Nope. Got it. Got it. No! Yeah! Yes! Holy shit, I got it! Oh, I'm so excited, we're on the meat! Oh, this is bad! Oh, there's ants! Oh, shit! Ants are bad. Oh, there's ants all over the bread! Look at that gross shit! Aw, man! Where's the fucking toaster already? Aw, man. That's nasty. That is nasty shit. Alright. The toaster is over here someplace. I think. Apples. Don't you dare fucking... Why are there ants all over the place? You're a fucking nasty bitch. Come on, yo. Oh god. Help! Oh shit! Where's the toaster at? Where is this fucking toaster at? Come on. Is it? Okay. Hello. Okay, I don't need the close-up. Thank you. Oh, I didn't. Shit. You know what? I think it's on the other side of the counter. That's what I think. Alright, so now we're gonna have to fly past these ants. Nope. Fly past the ants. We can do it. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh, there's a lot of ants on this bread now. There's a lot of fucking ants on this bread now. Okay, I got it. I can make a bunch of airplane noises, but I can't control a piece of bread. Move from the apples. Stop twisting your hips. Hips are always lying. I think it's on the other side, y'all. Oh, no, 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 no. Bad idea. Let's just subtly move like this. Ooh. Jenga. Bam. Can I knock that over? Let's just go this way. Yeah. Am I knocking this over? Let's do it. Let's fuck shit up. I'm not even on the fucking ants. Chill out. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. We're on glass now. Is this potatoes? Bananas? Love bananas. Give me some of those bananas. Aww. Can we jump on top of this? Let's do it. Aw, man, nope. Guess not. Oh god! Help! Fridge! Fridge! Yes! Oh god, my grip is losing. My grip is losing grip. Fuck! Fuck! Oh man. Alright, hold on. We can do this. 3, 4. Me. I love my noises. So graceful. Nick. No! No! Motherfucker, no! 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 Am I wasting my time doing— Fuck! Fuck! Alright. We gotta work quickly. Work quickly. Is this a repeat of last time? Possibly. But we're gonna do it. Did I do it? I did it, I think. Okay, just no! Ah! Ooh! Let's go eat stuff. This is not working out like it should have. Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking— this is a bad idea. This is a really bad idea. I think I just royally fucked up. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Jessica, you're a genius. God, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, we have to go all the way back. Okay, I can do it. Oh, how am I dancing here? This is amazing. Except there's a fridge in the way. Oh, oh, ow. Help. This is not working like it should have. Hey, hey, hey. No! Stop it! Oh god. Help. What's happening right now? I don't want to be in the fridge. Oh god damn it. Alright, let's go this way. This way. This way. This way. Me. 4. Up. 1. Up. 3 and 4. Up. 1 and 2. Up. 3 and 4. Oh, fuck. 3. 4. 1 and 2. Just maybe one of them, please. Up. Up. Am I on the counter? I don't think so. Yes! I need the camera to get out of the way. Help. 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 Okay. 4. Where's the fucking toaster at? I'm sick of this shit. Why don't y'all put a toaster where it's accessible? I'm about to hit the wall. Fucking stop. Motherfucker, stop. I need a point where I can go across the sink. I don't think I can get this piece of bread wet. Just saying. I don't think I can. Can I do a 3? Yes. Can I do a 3? Please don't get in the water. Please don't fall. Motherfucker, don't you fall on me. No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, fuck me. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. Life! Ugh. Oh, water! Ow! Ow! Help! Oh, God. Help. Oh, God. Stop going out of control! Oh, shit! Fuck! God damn it! Oh, I hate this game so freaking much! What time is it? Oh, guys. Okay. I probably should stop this just for the purpose that I'm gonna go over 15 minutes because I really took quite a while. So. Oh, fuck me. Alright. Next episode, we will see if I can fucking get my toast because you know what? I'm tired of this shit. I'm really starving at this point. Like, it's been a couple weeks. So. Subscribe to my channel for videos Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, often as possible. I work and I have school, so, you know, sometimes things get in the way, but I put out sometimes cool stuff, so click the button, and then we'll see you next time on The Inane Insane. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and see you next week. I have a cool video coming out next Friday, so stay tuned. Bye!